Today we're diving into the exciting world of DIY axe restoration. That's right, we're turning a rusty old piece into a shining, cutting masterpiece. So grab your safety goggles, roll up those sleeves, and let's get our hands dirty. Now, the first step is rust removal. And no, it's not with a can of WD-40 and wishful thinking. We're talking electrolysis, folks. It's like giving your axe a spa day. Just remember, black to the axe, red to the iron strip. We're not throwing a rave here. Set that power supply voltage, sit back, and relax for a couple of hours. It's the perfect time to catch up on your favorite TV show or maybe binge watch some handy lab videos. Once your axe is done soaking up those good vibes, it's time for a little spa treatment of its own. Start with the eponymous grinding wheel, because nothing says I mean business, like sparks flying in the air. Safety first, folks. Goggles on. Grind around edges, narrow slits, slots, and deep holes like you're sculpting a masterpiece. Move on to the belt sander. It's like the axe's personal masseuse, smoothing out all those rough edges. And if there are deep spots, just weld some metal in there. It's like giving your axe a little metal Botox. Now grab that file and make it smooth like jazz. Mark your territory with some texture using a hand engraver. It's like giving your axe a tattoo. Spray paint over it like you're the Picasso of DIY. Next up, the moment of truth. Hand sanding and buffing, because your axe deserves to shine like a star. Apply abrasive compound to the buffing wheel and polish that blade to a glossy finish. It's like giving your axe a red carpet moment. Now it's time for a little spa day for the handle. Choose hickory for that premium feel, or go with oak if you're feeling a bit rebellious. Design the haft, cut, file, sand. It's like woodworking with a touch of axe glamour. Remember, safety first. Cut a groove right in the middle and apply glue like you're putting together the world's most dangerous puzzle. Hammer in that wedge and voila! Your axe now has a handle it can be proud of. But we're not done yet. Wet wheel grinder sharpening, because a dull axe is like a joke with no punchline. Buff that blade with an abrasive compound and seal the deal with some varnish blends for that finishing touch. And there you have it, folks. Watch as we bring a rotten axe back to life, like a DIY resurrection. So go ahead, grab that axe, follow these steps, and let's turn some rusty relics into legendary tools. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, because at Handy Lab, we turn ordinary into extraordinary. Until next time, stay handy and keep those DIY dreams alive. Liam out.